Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to turn on video from people you may follow. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Video from people you may follow. Move to the profile. Click on the three lines. Move on the settings and privacy. Now click on notifications here. Scroll this option and you can see here videos from accounts people you may follow now. Turning it on, blue mark will appear here. It means you will get videos from the people you may follow on TikTok. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.